Are you thinking about using a micro-investing app like Acorns, but you're worried about the safety of your hard-earned money? It's a great question, and one you should always ask before entrusting your money to any financial service. So, is Acorns safe? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the two main ways your money is protected. If you have an Acorns checking account, your deposits are insured by the FDIC, that's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This is the same government-backed insurance that protects money in traditional banks. It means your cash is protected up to $250,000 in the very unlikely event that the partner banks Acorns works with were to fail. Now, for your investments, the money you put into stocks and ETFs, that's where SIPC protection comes in. Acorns is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which protects your investments up to $500,000. It's a crucial safeguard that protects you against the failure of the brokerage firm itself, but it's important to remember it does not protect against market risk. In other words, if your investments lose value because of a downturn in the market, SIPC doesn't cover that. That's just part of investing. Beyond these federal protections, Acorns also uses several security measures to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. This includes things like 256-bit data encryption, which scrambles your information to make it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. They also use multi-factor authentication, which means even if someone gets your password, they can't log in without a second form of verification. You'll also get alerts for any unusual activity on your account. In summary, between government-mandated insurance and their own robust security features, Acorns has put a lot of safeguards in place. Your checking account cash is FDIC insured and your investment portfolio is SIPC protected. It's a legitimate, regulated company that takes security seriously. Of course, no system is completely foolproof, so always use a strong, unique password and be vigilant about your own account activity. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.